Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a widget, so just press and hold and in empty space, then click plus or edit at the left top, then scroll down, click batteries, and now choose the best one widget for you. That's okay for me, click add widget, and right now you can check a battery level. And the second one option is to use an application, so just open it, and right here we have a battery level, but no charging case, no the left one and right one earbud, just 1%. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.